Do you know how to make sticky notes? Let me introduce you to the machine that makes sticky notes. You can choose the sheet gluing machine, which applies glue and silicone simultaneously to already printed paper. The paper is then dried up through the oven and finally collected manually at the exit bay. The next step is the press machine. After glue and silicone is applied to the paper is then transported to the press machine, which compresses the glued part of the paper, giving it a firm grip. After the press machine, the compressed paper is then transferred to the paper cutter. This machine cuts any type of paper into small or big rectangular sizes according to what you want. The final step is the punching machine, which molds square shapes into any type of shapes of your choice. This could be your final preferred shape.